My name is Veronica Dumitriu and I'm a product manager in the Oracle database group. In today's video, I'm going to talk about the Python-oracledb driver. As depicted in the figure on the right-hand side, the Python-oracledb driver sits in the middle. It is loaded by Python. It gives an API that you can call. It connects to the Oracle database for all standard relational and JSON operations. The latest release of Python-oracledb driver is 2.5.1. To make our developers and users' lives easier, in May 2022 we released a new renamed version of CX Oracle, the Python-oracledb driver. This is a major upgrade of CX Oracle 8.3. It presents support for Python 3. The Python-oracledb driver enables direct access to Oracle database through its thin mode. So one way to think about the upgrade is that we added a thin mode to CX Oracle and made this mode the default. The database can be on the same machine as Python or remote, allowing connections from platforms that don't have Oracle client libraries installed. As optional, thick mode does use those Oracle client libraries, making it the same as CX Oracle. So you have a runtime choice to use thick mode. The Python-oracledb driver has an easier deployment and a smaller installation footprint, allowing better use of resources and better performance. Because of thin not needing those client libraries, this lets you play with it on platforms such as Apple Silicon and IoT devices. The driver is still open source using GitHub for its repository. The license got updated to dual Apache 2. The driver is still a binary module needed for performance. And then we continue to support Python's database API v2 specs in both thin and thick modes. This means that it works with frameworks and ORMs such as SQL Alchemy, Django, and Pandas. It is very quick and simple to install the OracleDB driver. Now notice that the name has changed to OracleDB, and then what you need to do is you have to issue a pip command. The total size is about 20 megabytes on a Mac OS for a fully functional driver. This includes dependencies, and then additionally you can install the instant client libraries to be able to use thick mode as traditionally used by CX Oracle. The basic package adds about 240 megabytes on Mac OS, so thin mode definitely has a size advantage. So what are the differences between thick and thin mode? The thin mode feature set in our initial release was focused on two main things. One was the database API support for using frameworks, and the second one was the connection management, letting the driver be used with different database deployments such as with RAC and Oracle Cloud. One design goal was to keep moving forward, so thin mode only supports connections to recent-ish database versions. If you want to connect back to older databases, you can continue to use thick mode with its appropriate client library version. Some advanced Oracle functionality is currently only available in thick mode, such as our application continuity, transparent application continuity, advanced queuing, SODA, etc. And we know you want all these features to be in the thin mode, so you don't need to install those Oracle client libraries. Adding this is an ongoing project for our team. The key points I want you to remember are that thin mode has more than enough functionality to be used for custom applications or with popular frameworks and ORMs in many environments, and that we are working on adding more functionality to the thin mode. To quickly upgrade from CX Oracle, you can import the new driver and give it the old name. Otherwise, do a search and replace throughout your code. Note that the connect and session pool function arguments must now be named parameters, and this follows the PythonDB API. If you forget to use named arguments, then you would end up with an obscure error message due to the database API standard implementation. The driver starts in thin mode, so nothing else needs to be done to use it, but if you want the extra thick mode functionality, you need to call init Oracle client. And of course, separately install the Oracle Instant Client. This is the only way to enable thick mode, and once this is enabled, you can't go back to thin mode. Conversely, if you want to try an existing application in thin mode, then you must remove any call to init Oracle client. And if you don't want to call the init Oracle client, you'll just end up in thin mode. One change to note from CX Oracle is that with Python-oracledb, you need to use named keyword parameters. I hope you find our latest release, Python-oracledb driver, a fantastic platform to build Oracle database applications. Please follow our blogs and let us know what you think. Thank you very much for watching this video.